Welcome back, and today we're going to be connecting our Windows 10 to our Windows Server 2019. Alright, and just like that, let's get started one time. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna have to do is open your VirtualBox, okay? And when you do open this, we're gonna change a setting in both your Windows 10 and your server. Alright, so what we're gonna go ahead and do, alright, so we're gonna go into settings, and just give me 1 second. Right, when you do go into settings, you're gonna go into network, and you're gonna change attach to a host only adapter. Right, you click here, press host only adapter. Alright, and you press OK, and you do the same thing for your Windows 10. Alright, settings, network, host only adapter. Right, so after you're done with that, what you're going to do is power on the two machines. Alright, and we're going to go to the server, and now we're going to do some configuration. Alright, so we're going to come here, network and internet settings, and we're going to go down to change adapter options. We're going to right click on here and press properties. Now we're going to select Internet Protocol version 4, and when this does come up, we're going to select use the following IP address. Right, and now we're going to type in some stuff. Right, what you want to type in here is 192.168.0.1. 0, come over here, 1. Alright, and the subnet mask should populate for itself. Wonderful. And for the default gateway, we're going to put the same thing as we did for the IP address, 192.168.0.1. Alright, now we're going to come on to preferred DNS server, and we're going to put 192.168.0.2. Alright, wonderful. And what we're going to do, we're going to press OK, and then we're going to go in our Windows 10, and we're going to do the exact same thing but slightly different. Okay? And what you should do is go back, make sure that it was changed. Okay, wonderful. Alright, so we're gonna go into our Windows 10 now, and we're gonna do somewhat of the same thing. We're gonna come here, network settings, we're going to go into change adapter options, properties. We're going to select Internet Protocol version 4, and we're going to type, we're going to select use the following IP address, and type in 192.168.0, and this is where the slightly different comes in. Right, this is going to be 2. Alright, populates for itself, and we're going to type in the same thing that we did for the IP address, 192.168.0.2. Alright, now down here, preferred DNS server, we're going to put 0.1 as we entered for the IP address in our server. Alright, so 192.168.0.1. Alright, wonderful. Press OK. Let's check it. Perfect. So now we're going to go to change advanced sharing options. Alright, and what we're basically going to do here is make sure that everything is on except for one of these. Alright, which will be this one. Okay, So start from the beginning, right? Make sure this is on. Alright, turn this off. Okay, let's double check. Alright, looking good. Alright, wonderful. Save changes. And we're going to do this exact same thing in our server as well. So we're going to go to our server. Or sharing options. Alright. On, off. One quick double check. On, off. Okay, perfect. Save. So in our server, alright, we're gonna go back into sharing option because it does have an issue that occurs a lot, alright, and to fix this issue you would have to go and alter some stuff in your task manager, alright. So let's just see if I'm having the issue. Okay, so we're going to press share options. Remember we just changed these settings and turned on all of these and turned off only this, alright. But as we could see here, some of these things, although we did save the changes, are turning off automatically, alright. So to rectify this problem, okay, what we're gonna do, right? Well, let's gonna go into our task manager, more details, services, and when we do go into services, open services. Alright, so when your services are finally open, right, what we're going to do, we're going to look for 4 different things and make sure that they are running. Alright, so basically what we're just going to do is select one of these, just click it once, and we're going to type DNS client. Alright, so here we do have this running and that is good. Okay, so this is not the problem. Alright, it's running perfectly, and now we're gonna type in function discovery provider, and this is on manual. Alright, we need this on automatic. Okay, press start. Alright, okay, alright, and now we're gonna go to SSTP discovery. This is disabled. We're going to put this on automatic. Apply. Okay. Alright, and the last one is UPnP device host. Automatic. Okay. Alright, so when we're done with that, we're just gonna go back go back into our settings here, and we're going to do what we did before, which is turn this back on, and make sure that this is turned off. Okay, perfect. Alright, save changes. And now let's go back into it and see if it does change back to what it was before. As you can see, it stays on now. Okay, so we did rectify that issue. Alright, wonderful. Alright, so now that we have that issue rectified, okay, what we're gonna do, well, let's go into over to our, understand? And we're going to do a ping test. Alright, so for us to do this, we have to go to our command prompt. Very nice. And what we're gonna type in here is ping 127 0 0 1. And as you can see, we are getting our replies. Alright, and now we're going to go over to our server and do somewhat the same thing with a little difference. Okay, I'm gonna go to our command prompt. And we're going to type in the same ping 127 0, but in this case, in our server, we're going to type in 2. Alright, and we are getting our replies. Okay, so we're gonna do another thing in the command prompt, and we're just gonna make sure that all our configurations are correct. Alright, and for us to do this, we're going to type in ipconfig /all. Alright, wonderful. So as we can see here, right, IP address 0.1 default gateway, right, DNS server 0.2. Alright, and now we're going to do this same thing in our client machine Windows 10. Right, over to Windows 10 IP config all. Alright, nice. And you see we have 0.1 here, so we are set. Okay, all machines are communicating. Alright, they are connected, and now we just have one more thing to do, and this is a step that you can do to make sure that your server is connected to your Windows is connected to your server. Alright, and basically what we're going to do, we're just here, press network, and what you're going to do is see if the server does pop up in the networks. Okay, wonderful. So we do see our server here. Alright, so there you have it. That is the end of today's tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.